Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable robots.txt tuning with Shopify SEO apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section on the left-hand sidebar. Search for an SEO app that supports robots.txt tuning. Some popular options include SEO Manager and Plugin SEO. Install your chosen SEO app by clicking the Add App button. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, open the app from your apps list. Locate the section for robots.txt in the app's dashboard. In this section, you will see options to customize your robots.txt file. Review the existing entries to understand the current configuration. Identify any pages or sections you want to disallow or allow. Use the provided interface to make the necessary changes. Most apps will have a user-friendly format for adding disallow rules. For example, you can block search engines from crawling specific pages. Once you've made your adjustments, review them for accuracy. After confirming everything looks correct, save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating the update was successful. To ensure your changes are live, use a robots.txt checker tool online. Enter your store's URL followed by /robots.txt to see the configuration. Check that the rules you added are reflected in the output. If everything appears correct, your robots.txt tuning is complete. Regularly revisit your settings as your store evolves. Keep optimizing based on changes in your SEO strategy. This ensures your site remains search engine friendly and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.